G'day. What I'd like to show you today is a simple yoke. This is obviously a mag particle yoke. You've seen one before. You've probably even seen this style before. Nice Japanese switch, field replaceable power main supply unit, nice long legs, good footprint surface area, and articulates nicely. What you also get with this unit is a very average and very poorly made mains power supply cable. Now it probably already comes like this, but essentially this is no better than the power supply cable to your computer or monitor, because it's a standard PVC case. So it says on the sheath on the cable. So what this actually does is it will crack. As soon as you put your aerosols or chemicals or oils near it, it'll actually start to fatigue, crack, and prematurely break, causing all sorts of trouble. So what we've decided to do is build a 4-meter field replaceable neoprene rubber heavy-duty industrial grade power supply cable. So we test and tag these as well. So once you do order it and we do ship them out, it'll come tagged, and so your guys on site will be able to just pull out their old cable that's failed, plug in this one, which we expect to last much longer. We even put some strain relief here at the connector at the end so it bends. You can see the bend radius. Doesn't really want to kink on itself. Here's the actual cable itself. Bends quite nicely without wanting to kink. We think that's what's going to bring you a lot more value, make your gear and inspectors keep them focused on the task at hand rather than worry about if their power cable fails or if it's going to trip the circuit breakers on site or in the factory, or potentially even cause a fire. So we even keep some spares cables. Yes, we make and build everything. We fully support it, and if you've got something else from another supplier as well, we'll take a look at it, we'll upgrade it, and we can then even supply you some of our field replaceable cables too. All right, that's it from me. I hope you've got enough information now. The prices are on the website, and we'll see you around. Thank you.